in that area, or the other population they lived in that area. Okay, now, so this was the town planning of the Mesopotamian civilization. Now, the next topic of the chapter is religion. Now, let us see what were the main features of their religion. Okay, now, as in Hinduism also, in the same way as in Hinduism we are having so many gods and goddesses, in the same way the Mesopotamians, they also worshipped many gods and goddesses. Okay, other than them, they also worshipped the forces of nature. Okay, now let us see which were the famous gods of the Mesopotamian civilization. They were named as Enlil, Enki, Marduk, etc. Okay, and as I know, I have already told that they had many city states, and each city it was having their own god. Okay, and in the honor of the god, in each city state, a ziggurat was built, or a temple was built in honor of that god. Okay, now let us see what was the religious belief of the Mesopotamians. Now, the Mesopotamians, they believed in life after death. So, whenever anyone used to expire, they used to bury the objects which were needed by that person during, like when he was alive. Okay, like whenever, whatever things were needed by a person during his life, it was also buried along with his dead body. And it showed that they believed in life after death. Okay, so these were the religious beliefs. Now the next topic is occupations. Okay, let us see what were the occupations of the now the main occupation of the Mesopotamians there, it was agriculture. Okay, or in other words we can say that agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Now let us see what were the things which were produced by the farmers. Among the things produced by the farmers, they included the fruits, the vegetables, barley, corn, dates. Okay, these were the main things which were produced by the farmers. Now, as earlier we have already told that there was an abundant supply of water over there. So they were having a very good system of irrigation. Okay, they used to irrigate with the help of the canals, which ensured a regular supply of water. And the water was supplied to the area regularly all throughout the year. So agriculture, it was the main occupation. Other than agriculture, what were the other occupations which were practiced by the people? Okay, we were having the metal workers. Like the metal workers included the blacksmiths, the goldsmiths, etc. And the like the sources, they show that these people, the metal workers, they were very, very efficient in their work. Other than this, the Mesopotamians, they were also the first to use the potter's wheel and to make what? Glassware. Okay. Other than this, cloth making was also very, very advanced. Apart from the agriculture, they also domesticated many animals. They domesticated many animals like sheep, goats, donkeys, and cows. Now, other than this, they also traded with many other countries, among which India was also included. Over, so this was regarding the occupation of the Mesopotamians. Now, the next feature or the next topic of the chapter is trade and commerce. Okay, the next is trade and commerce. Now, trade, whether it was internal or whether it was foreign trade, both of the trades, they flourished. Flourished means prospered. Okay, They were very advanced. Okay, let us see with which parts of the world did the Mesopotamians trade. They traded with India, they traded with Egypt, and they also traded with the Mediterranean countries. Okay, now in order to keep a record of the things which trader in which they traded, they used to keep the record on what? On the clay tablets. Okay, they used to keep the record on the clay tablet. If we see the sources, we can see the Mesopotamian seals in the Indus cities and the the Indus seals in the Mesopotamian cities, which shows that there was a trade between the Mesopotamians and the people, those who belong to the Indus Valley civilization. Now the next topic is art and architecture. Now, talking about the art and architecture. The Mesopotamians, they were also very advanced in art and architecture. Okay, now they made their building. What were the things which they used in making the building? They made their buildings with baked bricks, stones, wood, etc. So these were the things which were used by the people in order to make the various buildings. Now, one of the buildings which were made in Mesopotamia, it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And the name of the building is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. It was built by a ruler whose name was Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, it was made by the ruler Nebuchadnezzar. Yes, this building, which building I'm talking about, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Okay, it was built by this ruler for his wife who belonged to a very mountainous and a green land. Okay, and when she was married over here, she missed the scenic beauty